Good boy, buddy. You're right here at the front. Hi. You want some more? He tends to back up a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to give him this big piece and see if he'll... Sorry for this foot of motion. Trying to get the cheeseburger and film him at the same time. All right. Let's see if he'll take this out of my hand. Here, buddy. Good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy and so gentle, too. Yeah, you're so gentle. You want the rest? Here, I'm going to give you the rest just because you're so good, buddy. Here, buddy. Want some more? Here, it's okay. Here, Red. It's okay. You just took some. Come on. You could do it. You could do it, Red. Here. Okay, there you go. Now I got ketchup all over my hands. Red is doing much better than Tuesday. I think the cheeseburger is helping. I'm going to take a little break for now.